guys are. Let's start today's video. Alright guys, so I just got here at this auto salon. As you can tell, I hope you guys liked yesterday's videos though. You know, the vlog and then the car video that I did. And yeah, so we have Joe right there and Joey. And our new friend. Hello, new friend.
New friend, Eli.
Eli?
You know why they call him Eli?
Where's that?
Eli.
Alright guys, so you guys remember my friend Josh? He's the one with the newly, how could we say this? He just got switched over to the E85 if you guys have been watching my videos. And he's been racing everyone, everywhere on his Instagram. You guys should follow him. And he has Lalo's tires on, if you guys don't recognize those. And yeah, we're gonna be taking his car. We're gonna go get material for Endless. Alright, so we're here to pick up the vinyl. And I drove. Josh didn't want to. He made me drive my POS. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do. A lot of the days that I'm at Endless, when I don't record, I usually pick up the vinyl and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm like the mail boy. Anyways, this is it, fellas. This is the source, the plug. Thank you. Alright, so this is the material that we just picked up. It's a white satin wrap vinyl. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. And it's gonna be a bitch to put in the car, and it's gonna be a bitch for Josh when he has to sit next to it the whole way home. My bad. We just got back from Fellers picking up the wrap, and Joe's over here wrapping the Infinity. Make sure you guys follow him. He's on my Instagram. I'll put his Instagram on the screen though. That way you guys can hit him up. All you sexy ladies. Alright guys, so we're here back in Endless, and I brought the vinyl that you guys saw me putting into the car. Other than that, I just want to take the time to thank everyone that keeps watching all my videos and stuff like that. I just hit 300 subscribers, and it's been a while. That's not a lot, but hey, something, and I'm gonna keep on going. In a little bit, me and Joe are going to be doing an install for my car. It's just going to be a little quick thing. It's not going to be like a how-to type thing. It's just going to be quick and whatnot. Because what we're going to be installing, you can already look it up on PROCIVIC. So yeah, so it's just going to be something really quick. But stick around and we'll be doing that. Check it out, guys. This thing is sexy. explain what you're doing to this beautiful 350Z.
Honestly, I have no fucking. Mira, hasta me dijo que veniera que hacer así, you know.
Yeah, that pew pew. I see. How does that make you feel?
It's gonna make you horny, baby. It's gonna make you brandy. But you wanted some, I guess, eyelid action or I just want some accents right here. I mean, you have like
So basically, just for looks.
that's 5 HP, okay.
Oh, nice. Do you need a tune for it?
Sometimes it depends if you get the carbon fiber.
Oh, okay. So just carbon fiber, correct? Okay. I understand now. So in this video, well, I mean, in the next video that I'm here at the shop, if you do me a favor and like this video 20 times, that's all I want. I'll burn myself with the torch on my face, son. Like it up. You see right here, you'll see this if you go to the Endless Auto Salon YouTube channel. And I asked for everyone that watches my channel to be a subscriber to the Endless Auto Salon YouTube channel, so that way, you know, we can get some views going, some likes going, you know, some comments down below and stuff like that. And yeah, so this video is pretty cool, dude. Alright guys, so remember that install that I said that we were gonna be doing? Well, it's right here. Short shifter, some bushings, and yeah, this. And so the one in his hand is the short shifter that was sent out by PROCIVIC. And he's putting in the locking bolts. With the bushings that were also sent out by PROCIVIC. And it's gonna look pretty good when it's installed. I'm gonna be taking pictures for my Instagram, of course, like always, so make sure you do follow. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice. All right. Okay, everybody. So in the future, when you're doing this to your 9Gen, there's this clip right here, and when you're looking up videos, it's gonna tell you that you need to cut it, but you're gonna be asking yourself why. And this is exactly why right here, because if you don't cut this piece right here, it's gonna sit right here, and it's gonna be touching this metal part to this plastic part. So yeah, just a reference guide. So when you're doing that, if you're gonna end up cutting it like how we did, make sure you wear your goggles. As you can see, me and Joe, we are wearing protective eyewear. Definitely. And yeah, I mean, you just have to. Kids. You just have to. Safety first, dude. So nut up or shut up. whole bunch. Hey. Alright guys, so this is the end of today's vlog.
Hold on, Daniel dance time.
Another what?
No, Daniel dance time. Daniel dance time. Daniel dance.
As you can see, it's pretty late as fuck. We need to hit the road. It's like 10 o'clock. The install went
Hey,
great.
go on our website and buy these
Yes.
pasties.
Hey. Yeah, so we're ending the video. It's late here, guys. It's been too long. And yeah, so thank you to PROCIVIC for sending me that. We're out. Peace.